Hey, it's VJ from Canada. I've got my best buddy here, Tubby. We're at the duck pond, and this is Tubby's first visit to the duck pond. And our beloved Mickey and Luke used to love coming here, and we used to love coming with them. But there's a new pup in town. Let's see what she thinks of her new adventure here at the duck pond. What do you say, Tubby? Okay, don't sit now. Come on, let's go.
I think the pond's a hit.
I love the pond. I hope we can come back here. Is this better than the beach?
New things to sniff.
New things every day, baby. You're such a good girl. Trish tells me I forgot to mention Pepper. I think we brought Pepper here. I can't recall because it's been so long since she's been gone. But anyways, we're right in front of where the swans usually have their swanlings. But beautiful fall day. It's really nice here. It's still overgrown. And we'll be back throughout the fall and I guess the winter too, eh? Let's go there, Munchkin. Well, I think the duck pond was a hit with Tubby. You like the view, baby? You like the view there? No duckies, but we'll be back. I will be back.